All right, all right, all right. Here we got about time, the wash. So we're gonna throw these shoes in the washer. Just wanna show you guys a few points of the shoe. You see it's really dirty, you see the dirt. Back side of it, we got a little bit of paint on the laces, paint on the sides here by the Nike. All around just dirty shoe. On the bottom we got gunk goo, a gum residue with grass on it. As far as the most part, this shoe is ready to go in the washer, and I'm going to show you guys how I wash them. So we're just going to throw it in for right now. I'm going to show you the other side of the shoe. This side of the shoe, we got gum right there. We got a little bit of white paint on the Nike sign around there. We got that goo. Maybe the goo will come off from, you know, the conspiracy video that I'm gonna show you guys, or that's gonna come up and tell you why that happens. So just want to show you guys the overall shoe of how washing your shoes in the washer, how they come out. So all right, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is you want to throw some type of like towels. You know, I throw towels, and the reason I throw towels in there to start off is so that, you know, it minimizes the banging, you know, the boom boom. But with the water, you won't have to worry about that. So pretty much I just throw the towels in like so. And then we got the Vapormaxes, and I'm gonna show you guys how I wash them. So go up here. What? So as we can see, we're out of the blue powder, but ain't no thing. We got the white powder. You see this stuff right here? Clean the Vapormaxes really well. So what you guys want to do is you start off, I think about this much, and this is just powder. This is like detergent. So I get it from Costco. That's what it's called. Show you guys in case, because many of you guys ask what it is. Multi-purpose use, heavy duty, Kirkland, Costco stuff. So what you do here is just gonna throw a little bit in there, a little bit in there. You see the light turned off in there? Hold on. Okay. Shake it around in there. Put the shoes in there. Sprinkle a little bit on top as well, like that, like so. And a little bit on the sides. Throw that in there. So once they're in there like this with the powder, you're gonna close it up. Okay. You're gonna press on. You're gonna go to quick wash, and then you want to make sure that it's on cold water, and you want, I would say, a high. Let's go medium. Let's go mediums. No, let's go high. High, light, and that's it. You just press start. Watch. So there they go, guys. Yo. So guys, take in how fast this machine is spinning the Vapormaxes. Like, you really can't even see them anymore, how fast they're getting spin. So if you really believe you can scrub faster than a washing machine, then more power to you. But look at them go. Like, I'm just waiting for it to like stop so I can just show you guys. Look at that. Wow. Like, I've never been amazed at a washer, such a simple washer, but I am amazed on how fast it's been. There they are. There they are. Look at that. Where's the other one at? Way back there. But as you can see, they're getting clean. And there goes the water, more water. More spinning. And you see with the clothes that it literally doesn't make the loud like banging sound because of the clothes, and it also helps to clean the shoe more. But as we can see there's the shoe in the back. Alright guys, let me show you how they look when they are out, when it is done. We got 5 minutes left. And there they are, you see? More water, more cleaning. There they are. Let's go look at them. These are how they came out of the washer. Let's see. Let's see. Let's put them out in the sun. All right, first impressions are gorgeous. Gorgeous. And that's it. We're gonna let them sit out in the sun. But pretty much as you can see, Vapormaxes are all cleaned up. Look, even the gum, little gum right there. But for the most part, wow, the shoe came out like brand new.